Welcome to another episode of J-Ride Customs. Welcome to the channel. So here we are at J-Rides. Here we are at J-Rides, and he's still in his onesie and bunny slippers in bed. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. Ay, ay, ay. Anyway, so where'd the rest of the bumper go? Hey, hey. Oh, field of dreams. Or nightmares. However you want to look at it. This could be somebody's dream or somebody's nightmare. Depends on your skill sets, I guess. Mm-hmm. Oh boy. The joys of pulling engines. Eco slap. It's an eco slap. Slappity slappity. Joy. Woo-wee. What a chore. Well, at least this thing looks like it's ready to come out now. Good old Ecotech. Crapper Tech. Crapper Tech. Of course, loses all its fluids and loses its oil pressure and dies. A little bit of knocking going on. But she'll come out. And you will slam this bitch in. Nice and shiny. There's my gopher right there. Ain't he pretty? Shenanigans. Holy mother, what a pain.
Those back bolts.
Oh, what a pain. Luckily, the whole stud came out. For those of you know, you just know. The pain in the ass is out. How to drop in the other pain in the ass. Oh, what a pain in the ass. Yep. So if you guys ever done this kind of job before, you already know I cheated. Luckily, like I said, that stud came out enough. I didn't have to take the axle all the way out. I just popped it forward for that one bolt, get that out of the way, and worked at the other two bolts, got that whole C part out of the way. So I had enough room to access that thing with a wrench. And yeah, a wrench with a pry bar, just to work it loose. Finally came loose. So that's how we're cheating this thing. So that's why that's still in there. That's why this other thing is still in there. That's why the axle's still in there. Oh, that was not easy either. So she's out. Now to remove this stud. snap.
No snap snap. No snap snap.
Alright, let's go. Well, let's see how much noise it makes now. Will it be a knocker?
That turned it better than last time. Okay, we need to move it back.
Where'd it go? There it is. Oh, you plugged it in? Battery is toast. He's not a battery.
Two lights should do it.
Two lights? Well, I got 0 lights, but I'm hearing 2 lights. Sounds better. What's oil pressure? It's a lot better than knocking it was doing. That's good. Nothing's burning yet. Woo-wee. I remember one time, back a long time ago, this used to be all full of international stuff, all 60s and 70s. Unfortunately, I never did get any pictures of everything. A lot of rare stuff back here. There's international Suburbans and all kinds of stuff back here. But previous owner, whatever, he came by with he hired a scrap crew to come and clear it all out. It's a shame too, because a lot of that stuff could have been salvaged. A lot of that stuff could have been sold off. And like I said, there was even a cab over up in here, a 4x4 cab over even. Looked like a 5-ton. 5-ton cab over 4x4. And yeah, you could have done a lot of stuff with that. But for some reason, he just had to have it all crushed. I don't know why. It's kind of a shame.